All right, this is the Wilton cross slide vise. We're going to go over how to put this together. All right, they give you a little packet, also an Allen wrench. And there's an Allen wrench inside this packet also. You have to install these handles. Okay, so you got sort of a square hole right here. You have to put that over the square portion, which is right here. And washers. First put a washer on, then a nut on, and these are nylock nuts, so they have to be specially tightened. Now you have to put this one on. You got to keep turning this out until you get this, until you're able to put this handle on. You have to hold the screw back here. Now this is a 3-inch vise, but I believe they make a 6-inch also. And then this socket is 10 millimeter. Don't tighten it too tight because these are small bolts. Yeah, it works really well. Then you have this vise up here. Open it up, measure it, see how big it is. Yeah, it's about 3 1/4, 3 1/8. All right, this is going to be the stop. It's going to be 19 inches from the blade, so I can use this as a movable stop. And I think I'm going to put a longer piece than this little one on there because I want to be able to clamp it over here on this side. Leave the blade down so you can measure it, and then mark it where you're going to leave it. All right, then just put it up here, hold it where it's supposed to be, make your cut. Okay, now all the next ones will be all the same. then this one here will just go on top. Something like this. Now, because this is rough cut lumber, you have to make this next wall, you have to make it the same size as this one as far as the height of it. It's not going to matter so much the thickness of it, but the thickness is approximately the same. So we're going to measure the in-between space because I got to cut studs. I set this stop over here so I can cut all of them the same length. Gonna get it flush with this side here and flush with this side right here. Okay, I'm going to show you a carpenter's trick. Not much of a trick. But if you're going to measure this area between two walls, the 67 inches is right at the curved area. Well, I'm going to have to guess and make this bottom plate 67. I might have to trim off a little bit though. Now if you look at this where I cut it actually at 66 15/16, and it fits perfect because it's all the way down. Well, yeah, that's fine. It's all the way down that way now. Now this next plate, the top plate, is going to be easy. All you do is take your bottom plate, put it on top, flush it at the end, and then make a mark. One thing I should have done is marked both of these top plates and the bottom plate at the same time. But we can still do that. So flush it at one end and then mark it in the same place where you put the, since these are 16-inch on center, mark where the 16-inch centers are. Now there is a little one here, which would be right in here, but I'm not going to put that in there. I'll just leave it go. Okay, so now take this one that you marked, put it up here. Well, let's take it, just flip it over. Alright, now I can put it in place. I think I flipped it somehow. Alright, so now I can drill it and install this onto these.